how to remove background in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to remove background on your Google Slides. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and go to your Google Slides. Here, I have inserted an image, but there is no option to remove the background in the Google Slides itself. But don't worry, I have a workaround for you. So go to a new tab and then search for Remove Background. And then tap on the first link. Now, here tap on Upload Image and then upload the image. Now you need to wait for a while and it will easily remove the background for you. Now you just need to right click and then hit copy and then go to your Google Slides and then you can just hit Control V and paste it. And as you can see that the background has easily been removed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.